resonates about giving awareness to male sicknesses.
In 18 years, Movember's funded more than 1,250 men's health projects globally. We've established the largest ever global alliance of research and health experts, and with our health promotion campaigns, we've encouraged men to take an active approach to their health. Men's health is in crisis and we need to take action. Men are dying too young, and too many men are still labouring under the stereotype that it's not manly to talk about their problems. We want to help men take a more active approach to their physical and mental health.
Awareness and prevention, for me as a male, being 57 years old, is very important. Actually, I'm doing a checkup once a year exactly for this reason.
We work year-round to apply the funds raised to men's health projects. We run health promotion campaigns around key times like Father's Day, Testicular Cancer Awareness Month, and World Suicide Prevention Day. We also focus on building connections with new supporters and partners and keep in touch with our incredible community to show them the impact of their fundraising.
The two brands fit very well together in our opinion because we can give a helping hand to create awareness and to give a very light-hearted approach to a very serious matter.
Men's health is important to everyone, not just to men. Women have husbands, fathers, sons and brothers, and they're so important in getting men to take action on their health, as well as raising vital funds.
The 6th of November, we will have Giro Lamborghinis all around the globe. Also people from Sant'Agata, so from the headquarters, will join here and there one of these tours organized by Movember and also by our dealers, and this gives a good visibility to this movement.
We've made significant progress, but there's still so much to be done.